Imagine waking up to the sound of waves crashing and stepping out of your tent to a breathtaking ocean view. Well, that's what happened to us. So join us as we spend the night for the first time on one of the best coastal campsites in California. Before we get started with today's video, we want to mention that this portion of the video is sponsored by Anker. Whenever we go camping, we always try to record as much as possible. Our jobs require a lot of editing and recording no matter where we go. But of course, sometimes our iPhones and iPads run out of juice, aka battery. That's why we decided to partner with Anker 3-in-1 power bank to keep our devices fully charged for whenever we need them. The Anker Fusion power bank, it packs a 10,000 milliamp large capacity battery with 30 watts of fast charging. It comes with a built-in cord and an extra USB-C port, which is great because it charges up our iPhones really fast, delivering a 50% of battery in only 25 minutes. I could even grab my phone as a landguard whenever I'm charging it, taking it anywhere I need with a full battery. Like I mentioned, the Anker 3-in-1 power bank also has an extra USB-C port, so we can charge our iPads or any other devices that we might need. But that's not it. Sometimes even the power bank might run out of power. That's why we need 3-in-1 power bank. It can charge up to 2 devices and even charge itself at the same time. The best part is that it doesn't take long to recharge itself, making it more efficiently for whenever it's time to work. So no more forgetting your charger with the Anker 3-in-1 power bank. That's why we'll take it with us on our camping trip next to that ocean view. We can't wait to take it with us on more travel adventures, making our lives easy and work more enjoyable and full of energy. If you're looking for the ultimate travel iPhone charger, the Anker 3-in-1 is for you. They even have a variety of color options to choose from. If that's something you're interested in, I will be leaving all the link and details in the description down below. Thank you, Anker, for partnering with us on today's travel adventure. Before we head to our campsite, we need to stop at the store to get some essentials. For example, and the most important one, a tent, as well as an inflatable mattress, lots of blankets, pillows, portable chargers like the Anker 3-in-1, a portable power station, water, utensils, a pot, food, and trash bags so you can pick up after yourself. And why not a mini gas stove to make some delicious foods. Yep, so whenever you're out there camping, one of the things that you always need is some lighting.
Oh my lord, these prices are crazy. Oh wait, what's the difference? Why is this one? What about something like this? Dude, that one's nice. Okay, we're taking those. God, one more. I see you. Look at this. It's so cute. Look at this one. Oh, no way.
Take those. When planning for a camping trip, it is important to think about everything you will need, such as sleeping gear. Choosing based on the number of people, weather conditions, or ease of setup, like a sleeping bag. One with the appropriate temperature rating for the weather, but that's more for like a solo person. In this case, we need an air mattress, and it's crazy to think about that there's a variety of them, but today we'll be taking this one.
Oh my. Oh. Right? 2080. Hi. So, would you like some bags?
Our journey begins at one of California's most scenic spots, a campsite perched right above the Pacific Ocean. With the sound of waves in the background, there's no better place to set up our camp. Just look at this view. It's like having your own slice of paradise. Cookie, dude, your nails, bro. Fly.
The drive was long. Oh my lord. After 16 hours of driving, we made it to our campground. I'm so excited, you guys. This place is beautiful. It was a long drive, but it's worth it. It was definitely worth it. You can see the ocean view, the smell of the trees, the sound of the birds.
Yeah, you can even hear the waves.
Yeah, you can. This place is beautiful. We are about to unload the car and start setting up our tent. We have a beautiful space. You know what? Let me give you guys a tour. Oh, this is the view. We got the ocean view over there. And this is our spot. We are probably going to be setting up right here because we are surrounded by all these bushes and it's gonna be perfect, you know, for the night. The wind, I don't know. I feel like it's gonna be kind of cold because it is kind of fresh right now. Here's our little kitchen, I will say. I will call it my kitchen, living space, and our dining area. By the way, we didn't show you guys everything we bought at the store, but this is one of them. We got a little stove, and I didn't know we were gonna have this big old table with the sitting area. So we decided to get this one. Well, I decided to get it. And now, I mean, I don't regret it. We can still use it, right? We also brought some chairs.
We brought the most important water.
By the way, my baby's taking a nap inside the car. He was tired. And I think it's good because as soon as he wakes up, he's gonna enjoy this beautiful view, this paradise.
And of course, we cannot forget
This, love it.
Chef's kiss. Yep.
We also bought a inflatable mattress because we have one, but the one that we have, it was too big.
More pillows. Dude, we have to do a cleanup before we leave.
Yeah, we're gonna clean this car, you guys, because we have a mess in there. I mean, we've been living in it for almost what, a week? I don't know if this was a good idea, but we only brought 1, 2, 3, 4 blankets. 4 blankets. That's not enough, in my opinion.
It's enough, dude. It's enough.
If you say so.
Yeah, geez, we brought the whole house. We brought all the things we had in the storage.
We even bought it light because I know for sure we're gonna need this in the middle of the night. I don't know. I mean, I'm just guessing. I don't know, honestly.
We're about to cook for the whole campground. We got pots. That's crazy. Guess what? We don't have any signal at all. So pretty much we're in the middle of nowhere, away from society.
With no signal at all. But I mean, I don't mind it. I don't care. I'm living my best life. Come on. Wow. Good morning. And now it's time to set up our tent. Look, sit here.
Guys.
And we're about to start cooking because we are hungry. We're actually going to be making a caldo de queso, so here's a little recipe. We're going to be using coconut oil. Body one. I'm going to attempt to roast this pepper because it's supposed to be roasted, and I don't know how we're gonna do it here, but I mean, we will figure it out. Nice. Gonna add a little bit of oil. Dude, we don't even have a cutting board.
Knife is good, huh?
Here we have some cilantro, tomato, and white onion. Now we need some potatoes.
Beep, beep, beep. Beep.
You're so annoying. Ah, shoot. Alright, we got potatoes, and this is kind of ready, so let me take it out already. Add the potatoes. Now let's cut the chile. We're gonna try to remove the skin as much as possible. Now let's throw all the trash. Mmm. Why are you laughing? Then we're gonna add this, also milk. We got the seasoning, salt, pepper, and chicken beyond, also tomato beyond. And of course, we need some queso fresco. Yay, baby Gabbe. Yummy.
Yo quiero. Your turn. Your turn.
Yum.
Ba, ba, ba.
Ba? Ba.
Ba?
Yeah, ba. You want more? Yummy.
Yum, 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 yum.
Yay.
After enjoying a good soup, we play one of our favorite sports, Pickle Ball. It's nice to know that many coastal campsites come equipped with amenities like fire pits, picnic tables, barbecue grills, and even restrooms, so you can enjoy the full camping experience without sacrificing your comfort.
Don't let it die. Don't let it die.
Don't let it Come on.
Come on, dude.
You messed it up.
Oh, sorry, Yoyi. Oh, that was delicious. Now we are appreciating this beautiful sunset. Just take a look at it. So beautiful. It's 7:48 p.m. and we have decided to go on a walk. We're gonna go explore and then we're gonna get back as soon as it gets dark so we can make a hot chocolate and enjoy it with this beautiful weather. It's kind of cold, but it feels nice. It feels good. Oh, you're so cute. I love you.
It's cold, puppy. Handsome little baby.
Here,
He's so cute. Oh, what?
let's go.
No, leave it now.
What? Baby Gaiden is tired, so we're gonna sleep him and then I'm gonna go outside with Gabe so we can enjoy the hot chocolate. But check out our view. Wow. Waking up at this tomorrow is gonna be magical. Dad! Dad!
What? Did you just say, little baby?
This is our cozy bed. Are you gonna go, Mimi's? Come here, silly boy. Come on, let's go, Mimi's. Let's go. Milky? Oh, I see what you want. You want Milky? Milky. Milky.
Oh my god, it looks like it's gonna be cold. But now it's time to make some hot chocolate. Crank it up real quick. We got our lechita over here. The DHA omega 3 supports brain health. The abuelita. So good. And now we wait. Alright, now that we got that milky, we're gonna put it in the cup. Oh, bro. Gibby. This chocolate bust, dude. And on the side, we're gonna be eating it with some little bites chocolate chip muffins. As the day winds down, we are ready for one of the most magical parts of camping by the ocean, the sunset. There's nothing quite like watching the sky transform into a canvas of colors as the sun dips down below the horizon. With the sound of waves in the background is the perfect way to end our day. Last night, Mr. Rocket didn't let us sleep. Let's make a hot chocolate. Oh my gosh, dude. You guys see this? It was freaking rocket. Jimmy, I freaking told you, dude. They stole my meat. They opened the cooler and they stole my freaking meat. That means that they stole $15 away from me. Dude, they fucking smart. How the fuck did they manage to open that shit? Oh my god, I knew it. These motherfuckers were hungry. Dude, I can't believe it. Good morning. Hi. Cookie was cold last night. GB too. I love you. She's just a normal dog.
No, no, eat. No, no, eat. It's all done. It's all done.
Oh, a little tiny baby. You're a tiny baby. Well, it kind of looks like he slept cozy because he's
Yeah,
hot.
he slept between Gabe and I, so he was for sure warm. But me and Gabe, well, at least my ass was kind of freezing last night. Because my back was towards that side. Oh my lord. I was so cold. And then out of nowhere, I started hearing a lot of like steps, like small steps and a lot of noises. And Gabriel was like, should we check? I'm like, no, I'm tired, dude. And then, well, he just gave me the news that he no longer has steak. No steak for you, boy.
Oh my god. This guy. Papi, dile a mama, all done.
No, I want to.
Stop. All done, No, dile, all done, all done. Wakey, wakey, dile.
Oh, dude. doesn't know how to blow. He just spits.
She's there.
Ouch! Ow!
Oh my god.
Bro! Ow! Did you hit me?
Ooh.
Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. Wow.
Lord.
Oh my lord. Oh. The beautiful view is beautiful. It's beautiful in. But I am not beautiful in with it. This experience, 10 out of 10. Recommend.
Okay. It's beautiful. Let's go.
Yeah.
Start this 17-hour drive.
I think it's time to just start packing everything up, and Gabriel's gonna make breakfast. He said he was gonna make some steak with eggs. I'm gonna wait for that steak and eggs. Come on, Guidance.
Oh boy.
Overall, this experience was definitely one of our favorite ones. Whether you're a seasoned camper or new to the outdoor experience, this is one adventure you won't want to miss. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and see you guys until the next adventure. Córrele, córrele! Cookie, come here! Cookie, come on!